What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Aggie. So here's the Panasonic Comfort Headphone RP-HT21. Let me show you from the back. It's a very cheap, it costs less than 10 bucks on Amazon. 3.5mm So 30mm is the driver unit. We have a 16 to 22 Hz frequency. 100 milliwatt is the sensitivity. Impedance is 24 watt, which is quite good. It's a quite good. I cannot see anything wrong with that up to right now. Let me just open it. Okay, for iPod MP3. I don't want to injure myself. Safety is number one priority. We got some kind of manual. No, it's not manual. Let me throw the rubbish aside. Let me show you. It's very small, but worry not, I'm going to show you on my face also, as you can see. But let me just show you on my face. Okay, let me switch the angle. Can you see me guys or not? Yeah, I know you can see me. Let me put it up. How is that? So I'm just going to open and then test the sound quality in front of you, because I'm a geek. Let me put on my head. Where is the right is here. Okay, here is my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite with a headphone jack, as you can see. Okay, let me play a soundtrack, Ninja soundtrack. Okay, I'm just playing it. Just 1 minute. It's quite good. I want to show you from side. I want to show you from the back. It's quite good. Thumbs up for 10 bucks. I just pay less than 10 bucks. 10 bucks? Less than 10 bucks. It's inexpensive. I can buy a bunch of them, throw around. You see? Ouch! My ear hurts. If something hurt, do not try again. Okay, the doctors tell me. Oh no! 10 bucks. It's always buys Panasonic. I love Panasonic. I love you, Panasonic. You're not paying me for review. You're fanboy. You even do not care I exist. Even you do not care I die. For 10 bucks you cannot bet. Okay, I'm gonna be real. I am background in audio engineering. I work as an audio technician. I love cheap quality. Sound is overrated. Sound is one of the things which is overrated. Especially, I'm not talking about the microphone sound. Even that one is overrated. Even a $1,000 microphone sound like a $100 microphone in real world. But $1,000 headphone sound like a $10 headphone. That's the reality. And yeah, I know there's some bass. I understand. But if you're like me, getting some work done on the MacBook or your laptop, watching some YouTube video, you don't need that kind of bass. If I'm watching a movie, I do not need. Okay, depend on movie, maybe bass. But if I'm watching a YouTube video, travel video, documentary, I do not need bass. Bum 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 bum. Oh no! Yeah, I don't want to torture my ear. I love it. Jimmy a geek. I love it. This is really good quality. I'm not joking here. Jimmy a geek do not like joke. I really like it's very compact. It's very inexpensive. It have a very beautiful cord. I really like it, and it's very comfortable on my ear, my big head. You know, my big head like a watermelon. I'm not talking about any watermelon. I'm talking about the Siberian watermelon. The watermelon grow in the harsh winter. My face is like that. Any headphone can fit on my face. Thumbs up. Bye.